What's going on, guys? So I just got an order for some stickers on Etsy and I was gonna pack them up and I realized everything's content. I should take you guys along for the ride and show you how I'm packaging and shipping my stickers. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I just got an order on my Etsy. I gotta ship this out by tomorrow. So I'm gonna look at my inventory, see if I have these stickers in stock, and then I'm gonna put them into my envelopes. If I do, if not, we're gonna have to make some stickers. So let's check. So I like to keep a little bit of an inventory of stickers because I don't always have time to go and ship all of them, but it's looking like I don't have what I'm looking for, which is okay. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to get the Cricut out and I'm gonna have to print some of these stickers. So let's get into that. I like to keep my stuff nice and organized, put away while I'm not using it. So I've got my Cricut in here. I'm gonna pull this guy out and we're gonna start making some stickers. All right, so this customer ordered some of my slime stickers. These are actually doing pretty well on Etsy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load up my Cricut software. I save all of my designs in there so I can just come in and I can print them. I don't have to redesign anything or pull up files. So that's what I'm gonna do. I like to use this Joyza sticker paper. You can use whatever sticker paper you like. I just like that I can find this on Amazon and I think the quality is really good. If you wanna get some, I'll have it linked in the description below. All right, now that I got these printed out, I'm gonna stick them onto my Cricut mat and then I can run it through the Cricut machine. It's gonna give me some nice die cuts and I can get the next one started. Perfect. Feed this through. This set turned out good. On to the pink ones. All right, now I've got all my stickers printed that I need for the order. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print the label and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing that onto my envelope. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my shipping labels. Obviously, I'm gonna have to blur some of this out so I don't show you the address of my customer, but I click Get Shipping Labels and I made a label preset. All I did was I put the dimensions and the weight of my envelopes in here. It comes out to about 60 cents. I usually just do free shipping for my customers. I eat the 60 cents. I just think it's better experience if you have free shipping. I review this, click review, and then I click purchase. And the cool thing is, Etsy's going to purchase the label for me. I don't have to get any stamps or anything like that. I have addresses here, and I can just click print, and I print these directly onto my envelope. And I'll show you guys how I do that right now. So these are the envelopes that I like to use for my orders. I think they're a little bit nicer, they're a little bit thicker. The brown makes it look fancier. I don't know, I think they're nicer than little white envelopes. So this is what I use. I got these at Hobby Lobby, I believe. You can find different colors or different card stocks, but these have worked really well for me. So what I do is I click print like I just showed you, but I'm gonna be able to do this on my printer. So I can feed this directly into my printer, and I'll show you how I print it right on there. So I've got my label pulled up right here. I'm just gonna hit Command P. I'm gonna send it to my printer, print. And just like that, I've got my shipping label on my envelope. Easy. All right, so I've got everything laid out right here. I always like to throw in a couple extras too, just because I appreciate it. So I bought these from Dollar General. You can get them at any like craft store. I think you can get them pretty much anywhere, probably even the grocery store. But I like to put my stickers in these because it's gonna prevent them from getting damaged in shipping. Say like, I don't know, it gets submerged in a puddle or you never know what happens. I also just think it's a nicer experience. So I package all of my stickers in these little nice plastic bags. I always like to add one of these notes too. This just says, I'm really appreciative for you purchasing from me, and I like to add something nice in there. Seal that up. I like to make sure too there's no air. Kind of makes the envelope get all puffy if there's air in it. So get the air out, throw it inside my envelope, and we're gonna seal this up. All right, the last thing that I do before shipping this out is I like to make sure that the weight is right. I gotta make sure it's under an ounce, which it almost always is. I haven't had any issue with it, but I just like to make sure there's no problems. So you can get you a nice little scale. Honestly, if you're just shipping stickers in a simple envelope, you're probably gonna be fine. But if it makes you feel better, like it made me feel better, I went and got a scale, and it makes me feel better. All right, I've gotten everything printed out. I got it packaged up. I've got the envelope right here. So there's just one thing left to do. Let's ship it. There's a lot of different ways you can ship your package. I'm lazy, so I like to just put it in my mailbox because it's just an envelope. I can put that flag up, and the post office will usually come get it that day or the next day, and it works out great for me. But there's a couple other reasons you wouldn't want to do that. If you don't want your own address on the return label, you might want to get a PO box at the post office, or if you have like a big bulk order, you just want to make sure that it gets taken, you can take it to the post office. But again, there's a lot of different ways. You can even use different carriers, so USPS, UPS, FedEx, I don't know, all the different carriers. Again, this is just how I'm doing it right now. This may change and evolve as this grows, but that's how I'm doing it right now, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Well guys, like I said at the beginning of the video, everything's content. I wanted to show you how I'm shipping my stickers. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them for me in the comments below. I'll try to get back to you as quick as I can. That's all I got for you guys. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, and until the next one, peace.